Huawei has also recently launched a new version of its watch for children. In this particular situation, we are referring to the Huawei Watch Kids 5 Pro, although in China it is called Children's Watch 5 Pro. It features a 1.41-inch AMOLED display, a quite robust design to prevent damage from impacts or similar incidents, and in this case it offers two cameras, one front-facing and another pointing towards the front, each with 5 megapixels, so you can make video calls with your little one. It offers charging through pins and can be connected not only to Huawei phones but also to an iPhone as long as it has iOS 13 or higher, or to an Android device as long as it has Android 8 or higher. It additionally possesses an IP rating for water resistance, and in this particular instance, they assert that it is capable of being submerged to a depth of 20 meters for a duration of 10 minutes and will endure those conditions admirably. It also includes a speaker and microphone for making calls seamlessly and provides an SOS function, where it takes a photo and sends the location directly to the parent when the child triggers the corresponding action. It also incorporates geopositioning, an additional choice to rapidly locate your child, an alternative way to track their route, an extra method to monitor your child's behavior, and it also offers a type of safety fence. This implies that if the child departs from the designated area you have set, you will also receive an alert, ensuring enhanced safety and peace of mind for parents. And lastly, it also possesses a school guardian, indicating that during school hours, the child will not have the ability to utilize all of the features. It even includes mobile payments, allowing you to make payments simply by scanning QR codes, obviously within China, and also offers fast charging. Moreover, kids can add contacts by simply shaking hands with each other, provided they have the same watch, so it's quite interesting. In Mexico, the Huawei Watch Kids 4 Pro was distributed. I made a video showcasing its features, so we hope that this new version will also be distributed in this region, because it is an interesting accessory for your children. Launch price in China, 1198 yuan, but prices here are not the same as those over there.